In this video, I will show you how to record a phone call on your Android device. Most smartphones today come with their own built-in call recording feature. For example, when I make a call on my phone, as you can see here, there's an option for call recording available. It's a built-in function. However, some devices don't support this feature. In that case, you'll need to use a third-party application. But if you prefer not to use an app, there's a simple method you can follow. One easy option is to use another device to record the conversation. Just put your phone call on speaker and use a second device to capture the audio. Keep in mind though that the sound quality might not be perfect with this method. Another option you can try is using your phone's screen recording feature. Through screen recording, you can capture the entire voice call directly on your mobile phone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.